So guys, this is our fifth analysis you can take. So I think from the previous 4 analyses you will understand. If you have any problem, please comment below. I am here to answer you. So this is our fifth analysis. So just we have taken some large amount of text data, and we will try to summarize this text data based on a logical, based on some logics. We will see how to build that logic to get that summarize A to Z, end to end thing. We will see what happened, that kind of. So first, getting the started, we have to build our agendas of this 2 days program. So first, the target that we want to achieve, that we want to generate the cloud image. Word cloud image means, word cloud image is that, so based on the word quantity, how much word, suppose I am taking the word machine learning, it's a single. So how much times the machine learning word has come, based on that we will generate the image. Okay, means the image sizes, the first job that we want to do. The second job, that we want to extract the keyword from the given text, the text file that we are going to prepare. Okay, now the third step is that we have to summarize that text data that we have built. So first, let's start one by one. So first thing, that the today's plan of attack is like that. So first we will import the necessary libraries, Python libraries. Then we will prepare the text data. Then after that we will pre-process it, then analysis. As simple as. Okay. So let's start one by one. So first, let's open your Jupyter notebook. A minute, guys. It's opening. So it will be better if I copy that name, text summarization. The folder that I have choose, machine learning, then project, then it will be our fourth. So let's make a new folder here. Just rename it. Okay. Now on that folder, particular folder, first the thing that we have to first let's a Jupyter notebook. Okay. Rename it first. Yes. Now let's import the necessary libraries. First, the thing that we have to generate the, so first thing that we want to achieve, import the necessary Python libraries. So now next step, what do we have to do? We have to import it the necessary. So that the thing that we need required here, the natural NLTK library we needed here, string needed here, and to find the largest, what will be our best summarized text, to find it we need some the heap queue library also we need n largest. Okay, let's import it. Import. First we have to import the NLTK. The second word that we want to import is the string, and the third one means as requirement we will install it, but these are the primaries we want to. Sorry, it's my bad. If rom if you, we have to import n largest it for. Okay, let's run it. Yes. So first step we have done till now. These are the primary libraries actually we need. So then we have to prepare our text data. Okay, let's prepare it. So I have to come to, sorry, I have to come to that folder. So first we have to come this email project, then we have to come this one. So here I have to make a text document. Suppose email, I have named it email.text. Okay, some text, large amount of text we need to paste here. Okay, so let's open our Google Chrome first. Machine learning. Okay, just type it, take some data from that. Yes, suppose I have taken some data from here. What is machine learning? These. Just I am copying it. Okay. This I think this side is not so much perfect. So let's try another. What is Greeks for Greek, X for Azure, machine learning? Yes. What is example? So suppose let's click on it. I just searching some paragraph amount of data. Okay, suppose let have taken this one. It's okay, I think now. So it's not so much. Let's try another one. Wiki, I think wiki is okay. Yes. It's okay. Let's copy it. I think it's okay till now. Let's paste here. I think yes. So now our job is we have to summarize that text. Okay, we want to summarize that large amount of text. I don't read anything, everything. So we want to make some algorithm that will summarize that text automatically, and just a small quantity of sentence they will automatically give us. Read this. Now let's come to our Jupyter notebook. Okay, now we have to read that text file. So first thing that we have to read. So for now we have to come our second step. Prepare the text data we have done. Now prepare the text data and read the text data. Okay, now this step, prepare the text, prepare and read the text data. Okay, so first open the text file with open the text file. What is your text file name? Text file name is, you can see guys, and this text file name is our email.txt. So let's email.txt. This is our text file, and the mode is that we want to read. So for that read or for writing WT. Okay, that thing you will search on Google, you can easily find that kind of things. So I'm not going to discuss. So one thing there have various kind of letter have. So for that reasons we have to encode that text file. So first let's encode it. Encoding. In general, encoding. So encoding. In general, the encoding that we have taken UTF-8. It's almost in general. Typically, it is usable. UTF-8. Okay. As suppose let I have opened it as F. Now the thing that we want to do, we have to read that F file. So our text data will now be F dot read. if dot read. Yes, it's now okay. Let's run it. Guys, okay, our text. So first thing we have to see, want to see our text data. Just print text. As you can see, the text that you have seen here, it's now on our IPython node. It's not read it now. Okay, text is now prepared as a variable. We can easily access it for our preparations. So that step, I think you will understand that step, how to prepare the data and how to read the data, prepare and read the data, right? Read the text data. Now the first job that we want to do, so pre-process, then we have to analyze. So let's start to our pre-process the data. So first we want to what? We want to generate the word cloud image that we want to do. Okay, so first we have achieved the pre-process step. So for each three targets, we have to differently pre-process our data. So first pre-process the data for generating the word cloud image. Okay, so let's start that step. Okay, so let's copy for our heading, generating the word cloud image. Okay, let's start the coding part of this section of this target job. So first, the thing that we have to import the record library. We have to import the matplotlib as always with matplotlib. Then we need the pyplot library. Pyplot, okay, it's pyplot library. Okay, pyplot library as we have taken it as PLT. Now one thing that we have to import, we have to needed the word cloud file from that word cloud. Just you can see guys, for that we have to remove the stop word also. Okay, so because the stop word give no meanings for that sentences, so for that reasons we have to import that word cloud libraries from word cloud. From word cloud we have to import the word cloud first. That module we have to import word cloud. That word cloud. Then also we have to import the stop words. Stop words also we have to import. Okay. Nah, I think it's this two one is okay. These two. So first let's see what first run it. So let's see first what are the stop words. Okay, let's print the stop word first. What are actual stop words? Just copy it. Yes, guys, these are the stop words that I have in the workload module. Okay, so the stop words is did not, he, didn't, don't, didn't, down, late, they. So such kind sorry for that, and such kind of words have no give us some natural meaning of a sentence. So for that reasons we don't want to upload, we have to remove that words. Okay, so I think you have understand. Now let's comment it. Now the third step that we have to print the how much text they have, how much word they have. Okay, how much, let's print it, how much word they have in our text file. So print, so there are how much, so we don't know. Yes, words in all text, in all text. So what will be the first in all text? What will be the that value? So that value will be our length of that text file. So that value will be format, then length of our text. Yes, this one. Okay. Now let's run it. Yes. Sorry, why it's happened? I think I've done some mistake. Yes, it will be dot. Yes. Now there are 5935 words in all the text. Okay. Okay. Now from these words we have to remove that stop words. Okay. So after remove the stop words, we have to generate the our word cloud. So first let's the word cloud generate the word cloud from that particular text. So it's in short I have used the WC for word cloud. Word cloud we have to. So first that we module we need for generating that word cloud. Word cloud. Word cloud. Now from that word cloud we have to remove our stop words. So stop words will be what? This one. These stop words that we seen already. Remove that once, and also we need that color of that background of that particular image. So we have to define also background. But background, it will always better if we use the white color. White color. Now that the text data that we have to use, the text data we have to attach it. Generate text. Okay, that thing we need. So first generate that one. What cloud is what background spelling is okay. Yes, sorry guys, background, not only background color. Background color. Now it's, I think it's okay. No argument, background color. What happened, guys? I think that done here yellow R. Okay, I'm so bad. It's okay. Now we have generated our word cloud. If we print that word cloud, suppose let's print what kind of thing happen. Yes, word cloud not a text object. So for that reason, it's a cloud object, word cloud object. So for that reason, it's not printed. Okay, just type the word cloud. Then what happened? Nothing. Yes, same thing. So we have not want to print that one. Actually, it's a word cloud type of object. So for that reasons, it's not. Okay. So if we just want to see the type of that one word cloud, what happened? Let's see. If you want to see, yes, a word cloud type of object. So for that reasons, it's not. So first thing now the thing is that now we want to plot that particular word cloud. PLT dot figure. Okay, first let's figure. PLT dot figure. Now we have to define its size. So figure size will be what? We have to define our size. Size will be 15. Suppose let's I'm taking as the requirement, you can change it. So suppose let's I'm taking that one. So now now let's plot. So bring that plot. we have decided our what will be a figure size. Now image show for that one is equals to, sorry, not is equals to, we have to pass the argument. What do you have to pass? We have to pass the dark cloud. Next we have to the type of that one, interpolations. Okay, interpolations will be what we want to bilinear. Okay, linearly we want to plot. It is always better to visualize if we plot that linearly. So means the first maximum number of occurrence over will be occur in the maximum size. Then that this pattern will follow in linear way. So for that reasons we have to take that one. Okay, if you use the quadratic, then it will be plotting such like. So no, it we just want here to linear way. So now plot dot axis. Suppose we want to do, okay, don't need to here. Okay, just now plot dot show. Okay, now it's okay, I think. Yes, let's see it. Yes, guys, you can see from our text data the most number of occurrence over is our algorithm, then machine learning, then supervised learning, sorry, machine learning data. I think it's two are the same type of, then this type of type. So you can think from the text one idea. So the most number of occurrence word on that particular text is algorithm, machine learning, supervised, such kind of. You can use this type of plot in every text data to understand the some basic ideas of that particular text. Okay. So I think till now that step you will understand. If you don't want to show that axis, okay, so you can off it. So that simple command for off that axis, plt. So let's try plt axis off. PLT axis, we have to off it. Off. It's okay. Now let's run it. Yes, you can see guys. Yes, now our axis is totally disappeared. Okay, I think till now that step you will understand how to generate the word cloud image. Okay, now our next step is we have to want to extract the keyword from that particular text data. Okay, let's see how we'll extract it. Now guys, the next step that we have to do the keyword extraction. Let's start that one, keyword extraction. Okay, now we have to come to our Jupyter notebook, keyword extraction. Yes. So first thing that we have to do, for keyword extraction, we need to import some file. So that's on rake, nltk rake. So if you have not installed, just type simple pip install rake. It will be automatically installed as possible. Just type how to install rake in Python, then you can see. Okay. So let's start it. From I have already installed, for the other reasons I am showing the details. For rake nltk. So for rake we have to import the rake. Okay. Now after that we have to store that rake in some variable. Suppose I have to store that rk, the that rk insert rake functions. I have to store. Now we have to use it to our keyword, the extract keyword from that term. So rk dot, okay, extract keyword from what, from text. Extract here from sentence it will be, or from text. So we need only text. So we have to pass our the file, that the variable where our text data is stored. So this one. Now the keyword extraction, we have to extract the keyword. For extract the keyword extra, extract words, extract keyword. Now it will be what? So our variable names rk dot rank. We just want to just the print the keywords rank wise. So for that reasons we have to install get rank phrases. Okay, sorry, get rank phrases with score, get decrease with distribution. Suppose next we have to want this one, get rank with score. Now we have to print that. We want to print it. Yes, let's run it. What type of? Yes, you can see its score is, guys, various techniques of 10 common uses. Score is machine learning algorithms use historical data. So simple, if we just omit that one, get rank with score instead of using, if we get rank phrases only, then what happened? Just try it. Yes, you can see, guys, only the keywords it has one. Various techniques for 10. Just I am omitting the print one. Just I have used the. Yes, these are the keywords. Various techniques of 10 common uses. Machine learning algorithms use historical data. Data scientists typically use reinforcement learning, machine learning downloaded, one download, such kind of keywords it has generated automatically. Okay, you can see. Sure. Now, if I use that another kind of, suppose distributions, if we get towards degree distributions, if I use, you can see counter number, step, process, proceeding, continuous, get values, group, data, points, by such kind of things. So we don't need, suppose only we need this one, only we need that pages. It's okay. I think you will understand that step. Okay, how to extract the keyword. So lots of keywords it's generated. So only suppose first 5 or 10 most preferable keywords for that particular text. It's very useful for a long text to get some idea of that particular text to extract the keywords. I think in business purpose it's mostly used. Okay, I think from that one you will understand this thing how to extract that keyword. Okay. So guys, that step we have completed, how to extract the keyword. Now our final step is, now we are into analyzing of data. Now final step is we want to text summarizations. How to summarize that step, that's the very crucial part. Okay, let's see it how we'll do in that particular job. Just copy that name. Sorry for that, just select it. Yes, just paste it for our title purpose. Make it as heading. Yes. Okay. Now let's first start. So first we want to find that how much text count. Where just see the first text data. Where is our text data? This is our actual text data. Okay, this is our actual text data. Now the first thing that I want to do, we have to find that text, particular text. Suppose let here just see that one. Here is one sentence because it's a had stop, full stop. So based on that full stop, we want to count how much sentence like type of sentence they are have in that particular text data. So let's doing that job first. So first we want to count the print text count. Print text count based on what? Based on only full stop. Let's run it. Only 45 such kind of text we have. There have for full stop. Okay, that's the thing. Okay. Now we want to remove that particular full stop. Just see it. For that particular, to summarize the text data, first we don't need that comma, full stop, like that kind of thing. So for that reasons we have to such kind of question marks, we don't need such kind of thing. So first that exclamatory sign we don't need. So first thing that we have to do, we have to remove that type of things. Okay, so let's remove that one. Okay. So first we have to want to remove that one. So we store that no pause. It's it will be single text. Okay, single, there have no. So for that reasons, so no pause will be, what will be character. Suppose let's say character for what, for character will be in what, will be in text if the conditions, when if the character not in where string dot punctuations, okay, if there have not character, if the text, only the text file, that we want from the text file, we want to extract that character, the character is not in the string punctuations. So if you want to see the what are the string punctuations, then just print that, then you will understand what are the string punctuation. Yes guys, you can see these are the string punctuations. We don't need that kind of things. So for that reason, you have to extract the text, particular character from the text file. Okay, our job is now done. Now we have to join that no pause into a single no pause. So if you understand, just print it. In our better understanding, just print it, see it, what kind of structure it is now. Yes guys, you can see. Yes, now it's all the things happen. Now first thing that we want to do, we have to join it. After joining, you will understand. Join it. So we have to join it. No pause will be join no pause. Previous this no pause. Okay, now if you print it, then you can see guys, you can see. Yes, machine learning this. They in the text, in that no pause text that I have made, there have no any such kind of full stop, comma, explanatory sign, question marks. There have no anything. We have refined it. Okay. Now you think, I think you will understand that thing. Now we have to pre-process that thing for the further steps. Pre-process that thing. Okay. So let's start pre-process text. So first thing that for pre-processing, we have to remove that stop words. Okay, so we don't need the stop words because the stop words don't give so much of information of that particular sentences. So first let's remove that stop words first. So process text, I name it process text will be what, process text will be, so word first, let's word for word, the word that will be, we have to take a forward loop for word, it will be in the no pause split, that no pause that we have built, we have to split it, we have to split that one, no pause dot is, we have to split it based on which, based on, have to split based on this, if the first thing, the thing is that they have capital, they are small, so we have to convert it single digits, so we have converted in a lower cases. Word word dot lower, then it will be not in NLTK corpus. Dot stop words dot words, and the stop word that we are going to use here, the Hindi English stop word, sorry, English stop word. We want to use that one, English stop word. Okay, now let's run. Yes, it's okay. Now if you print that preprocessed text, then you will understand. Just copy and paste it. Processing test, if you print it, then you will understand actually what happened. Yes, you can see, guys, we have removed all the necessary stop words, machine, learning, it burns. So that kind of words they are have on our data set. Okay. Okay. Now the next thing that we want to achieve, we want to do, we want to rank the H word based on the number of occurrences. Suppose I am taking here machine. So how much time machine has occurred? Based on that value, we want to rank that H word. Okay, learning, how much time learning has occurred. So we want to doing that job. So I think you will understand how we want to rank each word. And after ranking the word, we want to rank the each sentences. So first let's rank the each word. Okay, on that preprocessed text, we want to rank it. So for ranking the word, we want to suppose want a empty dictionary we want to give. We want to suppose let's word frequency its names. First let's create an empty dictionary. After that, we use the for while loop. For each word we want to use the for while loop. So word will be in what? Will be in processed text. Will be in processed text. Now if the question is, now if word not in, okay, now if word not in word frequency, if the word is not in word frequency, if it is stored already in word, then we don't need. Okay, if it is not in word frequency but it is in it means process text. So first for that reasons I have using that conditions. First I am checking it is already in our dictionary or not. If it is not, then we have to store that word into our dictionary. This is our dictionary. We have to store. The value will be what? For the particular, the value will be our word value. This will be our the key value. Okay, and the key value. Okay, and the corresponding key will be our word. This thing. This one key. This is key, and for the particular key, its value will be the number of occurrences. How much time? So first let's. If not, we give its value is 1. Otherwise, we want to increase. Otherwise, we want to increase its value. We want to increase its value. So word 1 dot word plus 1. Okay. If it is not in our this one, then we have assigned it as 1. Otherwise, we will increase as the value of that particular dictionary. As the value of that dictionary. So let's run it. I think everything is okay. Yes, let's run it. Yes, now it will be visible if we print that one. If we print that one, now it will be visible to us. Okay, let's print it. Yes guys, you can see. So just simple type, then you can see. Yes, the massing, that word has occurred in 19 times. Learning is occurred in 45 times. ED2, bonds. So those are the words. Okay, these are the words based on word frequency. If we use that short, okay, so based on that, but a value we want to print it. So for that reasons, we have to use the function dictionary. How to sort the dictionary? So just sorting the dictionary first, then it will be more value more suitable for us to analyze that thing. Okay, so first thing we have to sort the dictionary that we have created. So word frequency print. So how to sort the dictionary? So the dictionary, we want to sorted it, and on that sorted functions we have to pass the dictionary name. Your dictionary name is our word frequency, and then we want to sort its items. Okay, and the key value will be here, suppose let's key will be lambda. Key will be its lambda, and item will be its item 1, and it's we want to add highest to lowest levels. So reverse here is equals to true. Reverse REVERAC. Okay, spelling is okay. Yeah. So, so this is the simple thing. So let's print it, then you will understand. So guys, I have done some mistake. Here I print dictionary, then the sorted functions I have applied, then I am applied that dictionary, particular dictionary, then guys I am applying the items or the particular things, the items, then item. Yes, okay, I have spell mistake, the lambda, LAMB, lambda. Okay, now it's, you can see guys, just remove that print. Yes guys, you can see first is learning, then data, then machine, then algorithm, then you can also see from that particular machine learning, it takes as a one word. Algorithms, how much times algorithms has occurred, just see it. Algorithms 13 times, but machine learning in the both are occur machine learning together, it's occurred sometime, some little amount. So most of the times that algorithms are occurred. Okay, it's taking as a single word. Okay, it's a single word, but here it's taken as a both word as taken as a single word. Machine learning, reinforcement learning, algorithm, supervised learning. So I have just used that module. How to use that simple module, you can extract that things. Okay, now I am using manually that job here, how much times it's occurred. Okay, this is the word frequency or our particular. Okay, this is the word frequency. I think you will understand. Now the thing, we have to want the sentence frequency. Okay, so I think you will understand how to show one thing. One thing here is, so it's the highest value, we want to normalize that thing. So means the 45 is highest value, so we want to divide that this value in the maximum value, then everything has been normalized. So for that reason, so we want to normalize that thing. Just comment this, we don't need again and again. So let's first let's normalize that thing. So for each word, first I want to find the maximum value of the word. So maximum frequency, find the maximum what word frequency. In the word frequency, its key, sorry, its value, not key, its value we want, its values we want. What are the maximum frequency values? So its max frequency, just if you type it, yes, it's 45. You can see maximum frequency is 45. Okay, now we have to divide that maximum frequency value into the age values of that particular one. So let's divide it. So first for that we have to take as a forward loop for word in what in for word in word frequency keys, sorry, yes, keys, then we have to update word, it will be word, then we have to divide it into its max frequency. Yes, now let's run. Okay, now if you see that word frequency, then you will understand. Sorry, it's word frequency. Yes, guys, you can see machine learning, you can see, guys, learning is the most occurrence 45 times, its value corresponding 4.22. So these are the score that we have actually simply we have normalized it, nothing we have done, we have simply normalized it. Okay, that's the word frequency, you will understand. Now we have moved into the sentence frequency, how to create the sentence frequency. Okay, sentence for short, sent it, create word frequency. Okay, now let's see how we'll create that. So the same thing, we have first thing that first thing we have to tokenize the sentence. We have to first we have to take tokenize the text, then we have to, now we are want to tokenize the sentences. So first thing we want to build a sentence list. So sentence list, what there have a library NLTK, in NLTK there have library sentence tokenizer, we have just used that one particular one, NLTK dot sentence sent tokenizer, we have to use it, we want to use it, and it's simple text, have to pass it sent list. If you run, then you can just type sent list, then you will understand what type of, yes, this is one sentence, this is one sentence, a sentence they are taken. Okay, this is machine learning algorithm. Now we want to score that a sentence, we have built already the sentence list. Now we want to score it based on the score of that word frequency value, we want to build the score of the each sentence value. Now let's see how we will doing that job, how to based on the word frequency, how we will create the sentence frequency of that particular job. Let's see. So for sent in what, so the sentence will be in our sentence list, sentence will be our sentence list. Now I think it's better if we create a sentence score empty dictionary. Sentence, let's first create a sentence empty dictionary where I want to store the all the score value. Okay. So for sentence, in the sentence list, so first you have to convert it into a lowercase or word, for word in will be NLTK dot what first, for first simple I have taken the word tokenizer and converted into a lowercase, just I have used tokenizer and convert it into the lowercase. Sorry, we have converted it in lowercase. Then we have to check one thing, if that word is in the word frequency keys. First we have to check this word is already in word frequency keys. The word means what? The word is now coming from the word list that we have built from our the sentence that thing, I mean the word tokenizer that we have built. Okay, so now we will check it, it is already in our, it's already in our that word tokenizer list or not. Okay, okay, just apply that thing onto our one thing, just apply it. Just apply it on our text data and store one thing and see that one, what kind of lowercase it is occurred. Like that. Invalid syntax. What happened? Yes, guys, actually the sentence that the pass, we have taken the eighth sentence from the sentence list that we have seen already. Okay, just run it, you will understand. Yes, actually we have to first write that whole function, then you understand. So first thing, the sentence list that we have created. So first the eight sentences. Now we have to each sentence, we have to take it each words for the each particular sentences. Okay, and from that each particular word we have converted that things into lowercase. Now we have taken that as a word. Okay, that word already in our word frequency list. So we have to take that value of that particular word. What will be the value? So let's take, now we have for that one we have to check if conditions, if the sentence not in the sentence score keys, mainly sentence score, that empty dictionary that we have created, sent score dot keys, if the sentence already not in that keys. Okay, then as similar, what we will paste it, we will just store that sentence score as the similar of that word score. Okay, if it is not in, first what, if it is not in, we have word frequency, we have take it as 1, but it is not in sentence, just we have paste it the what will the word score or that 1. So the sentence score key is sent. Now it will be same key of that word frequency the word. Okay, if that's happen, otherwise we will simply increase the score value, sentence score value as the same instead of 1 we have using the similarly the word frequency. Okay. Okay, that's the simple job that we want to do. Okay, after run it you will understand. It's okay. What happened? Ed error. Okay, okay, guys. We have faced an error. Ed is not in our. Okay, now we have to resolve that issue. We want to resolve why that thing happen. Ed means the first see that word frequency, maximum word frequency. Just see it. Just command it first. Run it. Okay. So what happened? Just run it again. So one thing you will notice, guys. So the keyword error, it has shown that it has some keyword error. Keyword means the ed, that the particular keyword of that word frequency is not in it. So for that reasons we have to done one thing. We have to apply one if condition check. We have to check its conditions. Is this word, the word that I have taken from that, this one, this tokenizer, means word tokenizer of that particular sentence, it's already in our word tokenizer or not. If this is one word tokenizer, means word frequency dictionary or not, sorry, it's already in our word frequency dictionary, is or not. If it is in there, so then we don't need to worry about that. Is then we have to paste again. Just yes, now it's, I think it's okay. Now I have to arrange this, else yes. Now I think it's better. If this thing happen, this thing, now it's run it. Now guys, it's okay. Now let's print that sent score, then you will understand how these things are actually working. And just run it. Yes, you can see, guys, the machine learning in one, this score is 2 point this. So let's refine that dictionary. The same formula we want to use here to see the sentence frequency score. So here we have to use the sentence score. Okay, let's run it. You will see the most valuable sentence in our data corpus, means the text corpus, is this text is a part of the next line in depth guide machine learning based of the word frequency that we have included. This word is actually this sentences is actually the best sentence. Its weightage value that we got the 5.244, like that. Then the next sentence is this, then the next sentence is this. So for that reasons, first thing, we have not considered all the things. For the summarizing purpose, we have to consider the based sentences. So for that here, we have taken the based three sentences we want to take here. Based this first sentence we want to take, most valuable. Then the next sentences we have to take in. Then the third sentence, and after that we want to join that to give our summarizing. So these sentences gives us the more weightage value. Most of the thing are occurred in that particular sentence. Then this. So let's now doing that job. Just take the first most valuable sentences and just rejoin it. Okay, so let's start. So first that summary. The summary of this our sentences. It will be the n largest. What will be the, just we want to take the first three most valuable sentences, and from we want to take it as from a sentence core dictionary. Okay, we want to take it our sentence core dictionary. Then the key value will be the sentence core based on that sentence core dot get. Okay, we want to use it. This is the simple thing. So let's now run it, then you will understand. So let's summary text, just print it. Yes guys, you can see, just I am using here the most first three sentences. This is the, you will see here, this is the first valuable sentence we already seen. This is the second valuable sentences we have already seen, and this is the third valuable sentences we have already seen. Okay, now our job is to, we have to join that three sentences into a single sentence, sorry, into a line or into a text that we have to print as our final summary. Okay, now if I simple type here 1, then what happen? Just see it. Yes, only the first valuable sentence it's taken. If I 2, then it's taken as, so as a requirement, as your requirement you want to do. So suppose here I have want to taken the first three valuable sentences based on our score. Now after that we want to join that thing, we want to join. Okay, so how we'll join it? Let's see. We join it, the final summary. The final summary will be our join, so space dot join summary sentences. A simple thing. Now you will see guys, our job is done. Now just print it, you will see what happens. Yes, now we have joined. This is our simple. The final summary will be, this article is a part of in-depth guide to machine learning in the enterprise, that the simple job. So you can see guys, we have taken that much long text, we don't need to read it. From our, based on that algorithm, we will simply extract that short amount of valuable content for that particular show. Just read that, and this is the simple thing that the algorithm you can use to build the text sentences. Okay, I think you will understand how to build a text, how to prepare a text summaries, and how to extract the valuable keyword, how to draw that thing, how to draw the word cloud images. So that things I think you will understand from the discussions. I request you, if you have any problem, please comment below or please share that video. Those who want to build their career in the machine learning. It's the series that we have started. It's mainly for the beginners. Okay, after completing at least 30 projects like that, we will come into our advanced stage. Okay, after that I request you, please follow, please try please try to make that particular project in yourself. Just use your logic, don't follow my my logics. Actually the logic you will see, guys, I in the eighth step I have discussed here how we will build the word frequency code, and using that word frequency code how we will build the sentence frequency code, and after that how we will using that code how we will extract the most suitable sentences from that one. You will see eighth step that I have discussed everything. So just you can use another logics also to get that text summarizations. Okay, that's one logic I have discussed. It's I am not talking, it's a more perfect one. Okay, just one logic I have used here. Okay, so guys, till now, okay, I request you, those who want to build their career in the machine learning and want to just be a guys or something, to want to build, to want to make some little bit interesting project using Pythons, you can share those for that particular video. Okay, we'll see in the some next interesting topics or next project. Okay, till now, bye.